Hello everyone. Today in this class I explain you what is the difference between speed and velocity. But first we have to know that what is speed and velocity. So what is speed? Speed is the distance traveled by a body in a unit time. So speed, we can write speed is the distance traveled by a body in a unit time. We can write speed is equal to distance upon time, and the unit of distance is meter and the unit of time is second. The unit of speed is meter per second. But now, what is velocity? Velocity is a speed of body, but in velocity we give us direction also. So we can write velocity is equal to displacement upon time duration. So we can say, and one more thing, and the unit is same. The unit of displacement is again meter, and the time is second. Velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity, and speed, it is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Now, what are the difference between speed and velocity? Just see here. First is, see here. It is a distance traveled by a body in a unit time. And the velocity is, it is a displacement per unit time. And first thing, and next thing is that, second one is, speed is a scalar quantity. But velocity is a vector quantity. Third one is, it tells us how fast the body is moving. Speed tells us how fast the body is moving. But velocity gives us direction also. How fast the body is moving in specific direction. Yes, students? So what is acceleration? First you just see this video. In this video, let's take one example. Car A is going from A to B and then C. The speed from A to B is 10 meter per second towards north, and from B to C the speed is increased, that is 15 meter per second towards north. Yes, 15 meter per second. It means the speed is changing, but the direction is same. Just see here, A to B and then B to C. This time velocity is 15 meter per second. So we can say it changes, velocity is changing. We can say velocity is changing from A to C. So car is in acceleration. So the acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time interval. This time interval. So we can write A is equal to V minus U. V is the final velocity and U is the initial velocity, and time interval T. So we can write T goes here, so it becomes A into T is equal to V minus U. If we find the value of V, so that it becomes U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion. Now what is the unit of acceleration? Just see the unit of change in velocity means velocity. So the unit of acceleration, unit of velocity is meter per second, and the unit of time interval is again second. So the unit of acceleration become meter per second square. So this is the unit of acceleration. Now what is force? So what is force? Now tell me, what is force? So what is force? Force is the external physical cause due to which a body changes or tends to change the position from one place to another with respect to its self. We can represent force by F. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we can write m into a. Force is equal to m into a. What is the SI unit of force? Mass. M we can write kilogram, and just now we find out the unit of acceleration is meter per second square. The unit is kilogram meter per second square. This we can write in Newton also. Okay.